Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to contact Yahoo Finance customer support. Yahoo Finance customer support helps you find ways in which you can find your answer to the trouble or issues in your Yahoo Finance. To contact Yahoo Finance customer support, first open any web browser available on your mobile phone. I am using Google Chrome. Now go to your search bar and type in www.help.yahoo.com/finance. Then tap on arrow icon. With this, now here you'll be taken to help desk of Yahoo Finance. Now here you can search for any related topics to your trouble or issue by tapping on the search icon on top right. Now enter the topic in which you are having trouble with. I am entering notification problem. Then tap on the arrow icon. Now here you can find various of articles related to the notifications. Now here you need to find the best one that helps you to solve your problem or issue. Then tap on the given article. With this, now here you'll be able to find process in which you can solve your trouble or issue. If this process is still not working for you, then tap on the chat icon on down right corner. With this, it will connect you to live AI chat with Yahoo Finance Help Center. Then here you can chat with the AI. To do that, tap on type here box on down. Then enter your queries or your trouble. Then tap on plain icon on the side. With this, now your queries or your questions will be answered by the chat assistant. Similarly, you can go on with asking questions and chatting with a chat assistant until you get your answer to find the solution for your trouble or issues. If the chat assistant is still not helping you with finding the answers to your troubles or issues on Yahoo Finance, then you can go back to the home page of Help Center of Yahoo Finance. Then here you can scroll to the down. Then here you'll be able to find the option of Contact Us. Tap on Contact Us. Now here you need to fill in all the information. First you need to enter your Yahoo ID. Then you need to enter email address through which Yahoo Finance Help Center can contact you on the given line. After this, you need to select your device platform by tapping on the given box. You need to choose whether your device is iOS or Android or any other. Then here you need to enter the description of your issues on the given box. Now here you need to make sure you don't enter your personal information including your credit card numbers or your credentials regarding your Yahoo Finance account. After you enter your description of issues on the given box, now here you can enter any error message if you have any. Then here you can attach the screenshot in which you are having trouble in. To do that, tap on attach a screenshot. Then here you can either take pictures by tapping on camera option, or you can also browse by tapping on browse option. Or you can also select the picture in which you are having trouble in if you have already taken the screenshot. After this, your screenshot will be attached. Now here you need to make sure that you don't miss any credentials. Once check all the information that you have added, then tap on create request option on down. With this, your request will be created and submitted to Help Center of Yahoo Finance. You'll receive email address or solutions to find your answer to trouble or issues on the email address that you had provided before. With this, you'll be able to contact the customer support of Yahoo Finance. This is how we can contact Yahoo Finance customer support. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you liked today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.